Ain't got no tears left to cry, so I'm picking it up.
Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a while since I came to y'all with a makeup tutorial, and I know this face been doing so many wrong justice to me. I don't know, I'm breaking out so much, but hey, so be it. We gotta do this shit. I like to say I'm totally grateful for each and every one who took the time to watch my lace frontal wig series. Like, when I was thinking about doing the lace frontal wig series, I wasn't really sure if, I wasn't that confident to say, do people want to actually watch my video, my low quality video on my lace frontal wig series? Because I wasn't pleased about most of the quality on that series, but I still pulled it through and made the video and posted for y'all. And I'd like to thank each and every one of y'all who took the time to watch my lace frontal wig series. It meant so much to me based on the views. I'm totally grateful. So today, as you can see based on the title, I will be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. My eyebrows look like shit, and I need to, shake them up and stuff. And at the same time, I said, let me do an updated eyebrow tutorial because I switched some things to my last eyebrow tutorial. And it's been a while since I've ever done an eyebrow tutorial. And most in all my makeup videos, I really have my eyebrows already done. So I'm gonna use these dollar eyebrow cutters you can find at your local beauty supply store. I am not feeling the tweezing part today. No, not tonight. I'm not feeling it at all, so I'm just gonna shape it up with these. So let's get started. I have a handy dandy mirror I like to use. The reason why I like to use this mirror is because it has 7 times magnification, so I can see all close up and shit. Like, yes. So hello. So I'm gonna do my brows. Get my little brush. I'm gonna brush it. So I normally shape my brows the way I like to draw my eyebrows. I like an arch, a high arch. My hairy as shit up here. So my hair to the top is connected to my eyebrows. Look like a damn bear. So I gotta shave all of this. I wanted to make this into more like a chit chat video about the topic I would love to discuss, and hear your opinion on is how to forgive others that have done you wrong. Like, it's hard to forgive people who done you wrong, and it's hard to accept it, especially when you said a lot of mean things about to them, and they hurt you down to the core that you hate them. You ever hate, if someone hurt you so bad to the point that you actually hate them and you wish they go to hell? I wish so many bad things happen to them. It's hard to forgive people. It's hard. That's when people do you so wrong. And in today's society, you got people really disgusted, will mean to hurt you, and don't have no feeling. They don't have no conscience to say, oh, I feel sorry about what I've done to the person, I should apologize. They're I don't care feeling. I don't give a shit. If I hurt you, too bad, so be it, move on. I was never that type of person who would go about and hurt people and do wrong people. Now, I was always a fighter. You do something, you say something to me, yeah, I can pop off on your ass. Yeah, hell yeah. When it comes to do something evil to someone, they really hurt someone who haven't done anything wrong to you, how can you forgive that person? I hear a lot of people saying, oh, you gotta forgive in order to be better in life, and you have to forgive the person and just move. How can I forgive you? How can I move on? It's not that easy to forgive a person and just move on. Because I don't want a person who I may forgive later on in the future think that they can still come by my place, eat with me, drink with me, and everything's cool. You ever had someone who will actually lay up next to you, eat, come every Sunday, eat your food, drink, always boring for you, and at the end of the day, they backstabbers. They don't mean you any good. And you know who hurts people who hurts you the most is family members. I've learned from my own experience, even my recent experience, that family members will hurt you the most. If a person went through any situation when a family member hurt the most or do them so wrong, they can withstand anybody else, even a stranger. If a stranger do them, that won't even face them. Because you so strong from that family member hurting you that no one can do you any worse than that family member had done, and that you would care. Because if that family member made me stronger to don't have a don't care attitude. And that's just me. So as you can see, my eyebrows is like super freaking red because I had to splash some alcohol, you know, on it after I shape it up. So I'm inflamed right now. Inflammation to the max. Like I was saying, like life, like really, it's kind of hard, you know. If you want that everlasting life, how can you not forgive someone if you expect, if you expect to receive everlasting life? When I do die, I want to receive everlasting life when I leave this earth, but my issue is forgiving others. Like, based on looking at my boyfriend, his family, the way his family gets along so perfectly, they are happy. They care about each other, they treat each other well and everything. And I'm like, why couldn't my family be like that, like his? Why my family always have to be warring or fussing or doing vindictive evil things to each other? Like, why? I will never understand that. I will never be able to answer that question to my own self. I will try in the future, like if I do decide to have kids in the future, I'll try to make sure that I give my kids the best love, the best care, and show them what love all about, and keep them from fighting and fussing. And if they do fight and fuss, because we all are born in the flesh, I will explain to them and make sure they love and show love and kindness, that when they do, they tell each other they're sorry, learn to apologize when they've done wrong, and move on. But it's hard. This is what eyebrow pencil, brown eyebrow pencil I'm using. It's actually dark brown eyebrow pencil I'm using now lately, so that's why I had to do an updated eyebrow tutorial. I purchased this from the beauty supply store for $1 something, and it's from Magic Collection. So yes, I like this. I really do. So it is what it is. Ain't nothing I can do. I can't change them. I can't make it better. I can't do nothing. All I can do is stay my way. And to see that when a family member done wrong to someone, nobody in the family is say, hey, you done wrong to this person. Call this person out and say, you wrong. I don't care if you like it or not, you're wrong. They don't do that in my family. They'll kiss ass until they can kick it. If I done someone wrong, they'll kiss my ass instead of telling me I'm wrong or calling me out. That's how it goes. Is it right? No. If they've done wrong, they would make it seem like you're the bad person. When they've done you wrong, but they make it look like you're the one who has a problem. You're the one who has an issue. You're the bad person. Why is that? So I've learned to keep my distance and stay far away, especially if I'm trying to live a better life and trying to grow in life and want blessings to come upon me. I need to stay far away. I just had to come to chat with y'all because really I was a little down over the past 2 weeks and didn't really show if I wanted to create a video. for you guys, because I'm going through a lot, and I'm hurting inside, but trying to overcome it. So I just need some advice, from someone with more experience. You don't have to be older than me to give me advice. If you're younger than me and you can give me sound advice, because I need it, because look at my face. I'm so stressed out that I even develop bumps, and I'm not stressed out because of my home. I'm stressed out because of my family. When you trying to be there for them, you always there for them, and to see that you still get bite ass from your own family. So I am about to use my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn to clean up my bottom brows. I'm using this, I forget what this is, Makeup Forever a brush. I totally forgot. I need some new brushes. I really need some new brushes now. I had these brushes for like 2 years. I think that's too long. I think you should only have a brush like for a year. I'm not sure. How long should you keep your makeup brushes for if you're constantly using them? How long will they last? Because I feel like 2 years is too long to have a makeup brush. I'm done cleaning up my bottom brows, and I'm so used to not letting my brows look identical because my brows are not identical. They are fraternal twins, okay? They're not identical twins, they're fraternal twins. So I'm so okay with it. If it don't look like they twinning, once they look neat and trim, that's all that matters. I remember there was a time that I wanted my brows to look so much alike and have so one always arch higher than the next, so perfectly, one brow looked perfectly neat and the other one looked like, oh, it's nice but not like the other. And once they look poppin', I'm good, okay? I'm good. So now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in the color Toast to clean up above my brows. Done, guys. I think I'm done. Yes, she poppin'. Brows don't take me no 5 minutes, no 10. Even if I try. But anyway, cupcakes, I hope you enjoy this tutorial / chit chat video, and I feel much better like venting on cam to y'all, like expressing my feelings or what's going on with my life. It's basically a life update for me, and I feel much calmer and I feel more relaxed. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and see y'all again until my next video. Bye, cupcakes.